What if I told you there's a completely free tool you can use to automate all of your video editing? In fact, most of the video editing apps you've probably used are already built on top of this tool. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FFmpeg, the most popular video editing tool that most people don't even know they're using. FFmpeg is a free open source tool for processing video files. If you're marketing a product or service, you need content for promotion, and video content is what drives discovery and conversions on every platform right now. But here's the problem. Creating custom videos for every platform is incredibly time consuming. You record one landscape video, and now you need to crop it to a square for Instagram, add your website URL overlay, maybe create a vertical version for TikTok. That's where FFmpeg comes in. It lets you automate all of that. You can convert formats, crop videos, add text overlays, and batch process hundreds of videos with simple commands. Today, I want to show you 3 essential FFmpeg operations you'll use all the time when creating content. Once you understand these basics, you can script entire video workflows to create weeks of content in minutes. All right, let's get started. First, we need a test video to work with. I'm going to download a small 10-second clip from Big Buck Bunny, which is an open source video that's perfect for testing. On the command line, I'm going to run a curl command and download a file. I'm going to save it to a file name called test-video.mp4, and then the source is this URL right here. That command runs, and we can see the video by running the open command here. So we've got a landscape video here, and I'm going to show you 3 things you can do with FFmpeg. The first thing is cropping this to a 1x1 square. This is huge because Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn all love square videos. So if you recorded a landscape video, you need to convert it. Here's the command. I'm going to use FFmpeg. I'm going to pass in test-video.mp4 as the input file with a -i, and then I'm going to use the -vf flag and pass in some cropping commands, and then finally give it the name of the output file, which is output-square.mp4. Let's run that. It gives us a lot of crazy output. We can look at that file using the open command. What this did was took the input file, found the smallest dimension, either width or height, and cropped it to a perfect square, keeping everything centered. So if you have a 1920 by 1080 landscape video, it's going to crop it down to 1080 by 1080, and it'll center the crop so you don't lose the important parts. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps me know what type of content you want more of. The second thing you'll want to do is add text to your videos. Maybe it's your website URL, maybe it's a call to action, or maybe it's just branding. Here's how you do it. This command overlays text in the center of the video with a semi-transparent black box behind it so it's readable. You can change the position, the color, the font size, whatever you need. Let's run that, and then let's look at the output. There you go. Now we have our URL right in the middle of the video. The third thing I want to show you is how to stitch videos together or concatenate them. Sometimes you want to loop a video or stitch multiple clips together. Let me show you how to take this video and play it twice. First, we create a simple text file that lists the video twice. Then we tell FFmpeg to concatenate them. The cool thing about this method is that it doesn't re-encode the video, so it's super fast. Let me run that and show you. And there you go. The video plays twice. It's 20 seconds long. It's the same 10-second clip back to back. Now, these 3 operations are just the beginning. Once you know these basics, you can use FFmpeg in a much more powerful way to process dozens or hundreds of videos automatically. There are some sophisticated command line parameters you have to provide, but with AI tools, you can easily tell it what you want in natural language. For example, you can go to ChatGPT and tell it, I want to crop a video and keep it centered using FFmpeg, and it'll generate the command for you. If you want to use FFmpeg from a cloud service or from a workflow automation platform, you may want to consider a hosted version of FFmpeg. I highly recommend looking into FFmpeg Micro. It's the easiest and cheapest way to run FFmpeg in the cloud. If you want to see how to use FFmpeg through APIs or build complete automation workflows with N8N, check out my other videos. I'll put links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.